What's up, folks? I picked up this little CDC Digi jet torch from eBay with a price sum of $5.99, and it's an absolute bargain. Let's see what the features are. It's butane refillable, adjustable airflow control valve, adjustable gas flow control valve, safety kill off switch. Convenient, lightweight yet sturdy design, sturdy removable base for added safety. Let's have a look what you get in the box. Yeah. This is what you get in the box. Here's your torch. As you can see, it's got the kill switch there. It's got the flame adjustment, and obviously the piezo switch there. And then this one also has a stand. Now the stand that I have doesn't seem to fit very well, but I bother with the stand. I just stand it up on its base like that. That's fine. It fits fine. It's butane refillable. Now I picked up this butane refillable at a local pound store. £1. Anybody who smokes will use a refillable light, and knows exactly how to use these. Take the top off, little hole in the base, push it in, and when it's full, that's it. And you can hear the gas coming through, and perfect. If you want to adjust the flame, this little selector switch here, move it to the right and adjust the flame. You can also adjust the flame here, but that doesn't seem to work as well as this switch, but I just use this switch here. That works, it's perfect, it's faultless, it works all the time, so that's the way I do it. Nice and light. That's a long time. If you want to do any welding, soldering, anything like that, lighting your barbecues, this is absolutely perfect. To demonstrate, I've got 2 bits of wire here which I'm going to join. For argument's sake, you want to do a bit of electrical work and you need to join 2 pieces of wire or whatever, this is how you do it. I've got some heat shrink here, so I'll put that on first. And then I'll join the bits of wire together, like so. As you can see, it's joined. Not very tidy, but that'll do. Then you slide the heat shrink over the 2 bits of wire to join. Get your butane torch, light it, and as you can see, there we go, that's joined. That's just one of the jobs you can do with this. So as I say, the price is sum of $5.99, an extra £1 or whatever it costs you for a refillable butane gas, or if you got one lying around the house or whatever, put one of these in your toolbox, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching, folks.